How to transfer YouTube channel to another Google account. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you can just head over to the account that you want to modify. In my case, I'll go ahead and open up my YouTube account right here. And once inside, you can just head over to the YouTube Studios of that account. Now once inside YouTube Studios, you want to navigate through the settings icon at the bottom of your screen. And from here, you can just go ahead and click on permissions. Inside, you want to click on the invite button. Type the email that you want to put into, and right after, you can just go ahead and click on the manager status. So when you put someone on the manager status, they can view everything, manage permissions, go live, create, edit, and delete content. So this is basically the owner permission itself. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.